Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to schedule WhatsApp message on your phone. If you want to schedule your WhatsApp message, normally when you type a message or you want to send a message to someone, after you finish you press send to send. But this time I will guide you through how to schedule. Maybe you type a message today and you want it to send tomorrow. This video is for you, or you want an hour time so that the person will get the message in an hour time. This message is for you. Watch the video to end so that you will not mix any steps. Can you subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel? Share video and share, like and comment. Let's start. Here you go to Play Store. You type Sket It, SKEDIT. So this is the app. You click install. So it is installing. So you wait patiently for it to install. Here it is installing. It has finished installing. So what we do is we open. So you click open. You click open. So it has opened. Here you move top the skip. You click. You can log in or register with your Gmail account, Facebook, whatever. So here you go to skip it. Yes. So it is processing. You click I understand. You click. Here you see down there the plus there. You click there. You move to WhatsApp top. Here it's not only WhatsApp. We can use to, if you have WhatsApp business, to Instagram, Telegram, whatever. You can use this message to reschedule the message to someone. So let's continue. You click WhatsApp. And you click WhatsApp. You come here. You see reception. You see a reception. You click on the plus sign in front of the reception. You click on WhatsApp. Click on check requirements. You click enable accessibility. You click on it. Here you click on install apps. So you click on install apps. You click on the schedule. You turn on. Allow. You go back. Good. So here you come here. You see you click disable battery optimization. You click allow. So after you finish, so after disable battery optimization, you scroll down, you see enable appear on top. So you click on it. Here you scroll down to search for the skip it. So you search for it here. You search for it here. So this is it. So I will then take it. I will move back. Now go down here. You can put password on it or whatever. So you can choose to do or not. Go back. Go to WhatsApp. You go to the reception. In front of the reception, there's the plus sign. You click on WhatsApp. Here you click OK. To move to WhatsApp, the WhatsApp contact. So the WhatsApp that or the person you want to send a message to, you select the person. So this is the person. I want to send a message to, so I'll click here. So when I click here, you see the person that I have saved his contact or on my phone or the WhatsApp one, you see the name has appeared here. So I'll just type something. Hi, how are you? How are you? So the message that you want to tell the person, you type it here, you type it here, you type it where the message said. You see, topic is optional, or title is optional. If you want, you can add a title. If you want, you can leave it. So you type after you finish typing the message here, you then move to here. So maybe tomorrow, that second match, I want the person to receive the message. I'll type here and set second match. Okay. And here I want the person to receive it in 6 a.m. in the morning. 6 a.m. So after I finish 6 a.m. So here, click OK. So this is how to reschedule WhatsApp to someone. After you finish, see top the mark, you click it, you take it. So after you finish everything, you see top there, see there's a tick this thing, you just click on it to save it. Click. You see here, check requirement. You can ignore, so you can click on ignore. So you see it is processed. Yes, it has a save. So the date and the time that you have sent them, when the time reach, the message will go automatically. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.